In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Wix Editor framework in Chrome and search for a LinkedIn feed or social media stream app in the Wix app market. To begin, open Google Chrome and make sure you're signed into your Wix account so you can access your website dashboard without interruption. Once you're in, open the site you want to work on and enter the Wix Editor. This is the main workspace where you manage your site layout, features, and apps. Give the page a moment to fully load, especially if your internet connection is a little slow, because the editor includes several tools and panels that need to appear correctly before you continue. When the Wix editor is open, look over to the vertical toolbar on the side of the screen. This toolbar contains the main options for editing and expanding your site. From there, click on Wix App Market. This is the area where Wix provides integrations, design tools, widgets, and social features that you can add directly to your website. If you don't immediately recognize it, take a second to hover over the icons until the label appears. That can make it much easier to find the correct option, especially if you're new to the editor interface. After opening the Wix App Market, locate the search box. This search utility helps you quickly find the feature or app you need without having to browse through all the available categories. Click into the search field and type LinkedIn feed. If you prefer, you can also type social media stream instead. Both search terms can help surface apps designed to display social content on your website, depending on what type of integration you're looking for. As you type, you may see results begin to appear automatically. That's normal and can save time. Just review the search results carefully so you can identify the app that best matches the kind of social feed you want to add. Make sure you're selecting an option that fits your site's purpose and display needs. That's all you need to do for this part of the process. You've opened the Wix editor in Chrome, accessed the Wix App Market from the vertical toolbar, and searched for either LinkedIn feed or social media stream using the built-in search box. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be in the right place to continue setting up social content on your Wix site.